this is a demo of using Tough Tongue AI plugin. So step one here is that you have to connect that. You have to go to the settings here and go to plugins, and you have to browse. In the Tough Tongue AI case, you have to start the developer mode and then add, and you'll see something like this Tough Tongue AI plugin. And then you go back here, you could also see. So for this particular demo, Tough Tongue AI provides a voice AI interface where you could use MCP to create a scenario, to practice difficult conversation, watch all your sessions, and then you can also deploy that in Google Meet, Zoom, and phone call. So let's take an example where what I'll do is that first I will ask ChatGPT to see any customer meeting this week. So here, because ChatGPT has access to my Gmail, it should be able to give me some idea of this. So I have these meetings this week. Now, could you help me prepare for my meeting with Easy Schooling, that is tomorrow? So use Tough Tongue AI to create a practice scenario for this meeting. So it figured out that it has to find the meeting context and create a focused Tough Tongue AI scenario around the Easy Schooling conversation. So it read the calendar details, it then listed the organization that I'm part of, and it will likely create the scenario in this particular organization. And it's a customer conversation, which is about how their usage with our platform is. So those kind of conversations will happen. So because this was sensitive data, so it did ask me to confirm. Now, as I'm doing, I'm walking you through the other things. So for example, in the last session, I asked ChatGPT I have a Google product management interview to use Tough Tongue AI's tool. It created Google product management interview scenario. So if I click here and go, I could go and do this scenario.
Hello, welcome. I'm your interviewer today. You are a PM for Google Maps. You are asked to improve the experience of finding reliable EV charging on Google Maps. How would you approach it?
Got it. Could you open a notepad so that I can write down my thoughts?
Certainly. The notepad is now open.
Okay. So I can use this notepad to write down, but yeah, overall, the whole interview experience was created. Now let's come back here. Similarly, there are other things that I did. I asked it that whatever sessions I did on Tough Tongue AI. Now let's go to the latest query that we just wrote, which is for this meeting this week. So it found out Easy Schooling meeting. It says 30-minute meeting, ROI, target. After the run, it will score discovery meeting. So it did generate this meeting. So can you send me the link to try? Because it created a private scenario, it's now generating a scenario access token, which is the right way to provide access to external user to try it out. And it gave me the link. So let me click it. Hello.
Hello. Thanks for joining me today. We have about 30 minutes to discuss Easy Schooling's current usage of the Tough Tongue platform for our phone counseling scenario, review adoption barriers, and come up with a concrete plan for improvement. How does that sound?
That sounds good. But you can now dump the context from different tools that ChatGPT has access, for example, CRM, Linear, and use it to create a high-quality scenario that you would practice. Then you can get the feedback, which will go to ChatGPT again, and you can learn on the areas that you could improve. So try it out and let me know how do you like it. Thank you so much.